Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Blooms channel. This is Cursive Handwriting Classes, Day 7. Hello everybody, today we are going to learn new alphabets O, P, V, W. We all know that how to write A in a small A cursive letter. In this way we used to write A, right? But when we are going to write O in the same pattern, don't put this curve. Take a curve, put a circle. Once you touched here, from there you take a small circle. We'll try. Don't give so much of gap here. End with a small loop. If you leave this gap compared to these two, you can easily find out which one is look beautiful. Don't leave gap here. Then we'll try P. Take a curve, come back, touch to the fourth line and come back on the same line, then put a curve. We all now familiar with these curve. Hope everyone you practiced this H, K. We are using this loop only, same loop, right? In the same way only we have to take a line, touch to the fourth line, come back and put a curve. Some people also used to write also P in this form also. You can also, if you want, you can write down. You can touch. Our next alphabet is V. Start from your curve, come down, go up, end with a small loop. You can also write in this sharp way also. Here is a sharp, here is a, it's not that much sharp. If you write in this way, it looks so beautiful. If you are comfortable with this one, you can go with this also. Our next alphabet, W. One time how you used to write U and take a one more time and end with the small loop. Go up, come down and one more time, end with a small loop. Don't leave more gaps here. In English alphabets, when we are writing in cursive handwriting, a small thing also, it's very important. If you are leaving more gap, it won't look good, and even if it is a sharp one here, then also it won't look. Try to write in the little curvy way only here. Okay, hope you all enjoyed it. Let's practice with me. If you like our work, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any comments, drop me in the comment box.